In this video, I will show you how to hide your videos, photos, and other files on your phone. So I'm using an emulator for this video. Head over to the Play Store and type in calculator vault. Click on the calculator photo vault. Install this one. Wait until that is finished. Open the app. I'm going to set a password. I'm going to retype the password. This is the welcome page. Click next. Set your password recovery question. Click next. Make sure you make a note of your password recovery question answer. Click on OK. In case you forget your password, simply enter your number 11 22 33 44 into your calculator and press the equal button. Then retrieve your password by entering the answer of your security question. Got it? Enter your recovery email. Click on save. Now you can put in your pictures, videos, and file. Since I'm using an emulator, I can drag and drop a video. I'm going to drag and drop a file. Open the calculator app. So I'm going to type in the password. Click on add, all files, pictures. Move the vault. You can select an encryption mode. I'm going to leave it as hidden. It says long press to enter edit mode. Unhide the files from your vault to their original folder or perform other operations. I'm going to move this one. Move it to files. Open this. That's my top secret. Now if you click on the three lines next to the vault, you have more options. You can go into the vault, browser, note, recycle bin, settings. You can click on the about. You can select between a dark theme and a light theme. You can select the different view option. You can select grid or sort. You can add a new folder. And that's the calculator photo vault. Store your picture, videos, and files in a secret location on your phone. And the only way to access it is to put in the password on the calculator app. So that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another one.